Understanding Scams. Chapter 4. Employment and Gig Scams. This is Mr. Why from Truality.unfiltered. Employment scams don't start with laziness. They start with opportunity. A remote job appears. The pay sounds reasonable. The hiring is fast, maybe too fast. No interview, no delay. Just you're hired. That speed feels like relief, especially when income is needed. That's the hook. Employment scams use opportunity plus urgency to shut down verification. You're told to act now, buy equipment, send money back, accept funds you didn't expect. You think this is how modern remote work operates. You think efficiency equals legitimacy. But real employers don't rush trust, and they don't ask you to move money to get paid. These scams aren't about fake jobs, they're about real pressure. When speed replaces process, control shifts. This chapter is about understanding how job offers are engineered to bypass caution, not about blaming people who need work. If you want stability without traps, slow the process. Full breakdowns are on the blog, link in bio. New posts weekly. Truality.finance is a parent brand, built on clarity, confidence, and steady progress. No noise, no pressure. Just tools that help you stay grounded and in control of your financial journey. Stay steady, stay real, stay you. This message was brought to you by Mr. Why, dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for representation. Product may vary in color, texture, or design. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.finance and my other channels. Truality.legalese.mental and .unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you.